Hey lovelies, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and feeling amazing. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I do really appreciate you all. So in today's video guys, we'll be doing Ana Luisa try-on haul. Oh my goodness, a month ago or so I did feature them in one of my how to style cardigan. I will leave the card up there if you have not seen that video. So I unboxed Ana Luisa jewelry, and honestly speaking, I have been using this jewelry back to back. So it was an earring and a ring. I've been using it back to back, and you know what, the color is so rich, the color is so nice, it has not faded, it's still the same, there's no scratch or anything. So of course you have to treat your jewelry with care. So this is the reason why I am so excited to be collaborating with them today. So thank you Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I do really appreciate you guys for reaching out to me. Basically, if you see my face for the first time, hey, I am Gladon. Here I do fashion and beauty content. So if you enjoy those sort of video, do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel. So basically, this is the jewelry that will be unboxing today. Usually their product comes like this, really nice pack like this. If you go on their website, their mission, they love cutting out waste, they don't like polluting the planet, which is really nice. And when companies think like that, honestly speaking, we'll have less waste on the planet. So from that perspective, you know, hands down, and they're very proud when it comes to cutting out waste on the planet, you know, in terms of they don't want to use too many chemicals and things like that. Definitely check them out, and you could read more on their website if you see what I mean. So basically, usually it just come like this. You open it. Oh, there's a little thank you card here. So I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit bright, but there's a little thank you card. That's really cute. And there's two patches. It comes like this. Oopsie daisy. So there's a little two pouches, and it's very velvety patch. So cute, cute, cute. So let me just open this one. Oh, this is the bracelet. I'm going to be leaving a little clip for you guys to see the pattern. Honestly, it's gorgeous. The quality is really nice because they use a really nice metal, noble metal, to do their jewelry. So they don't just use any kind of metal, so which is really, really nice. It's very solid and it feels so. I just love the pattern. I love the pattern. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so no, it's really cute. And they have this little note that they usually put. Let me just quickly read that because they're so sweet. Your jewelry has been handcrafted to last. We wish you many happy times together. That's sweet. I love this little thing that they add to it. It's really nice. So in this patch, we have we have two necklaces. So we have this one. So I'm going to insert it for you guys to see. So they've secured the pendant here, so that it shouldn't scratch. So you need to unpeel that, and the back of this one is written "Hope, Love, Create." And this is the other one as well. This is like half moon. It's cute. So this is a layered necklace. So you put it, you could use it as layered, or you could use it as single necklace. So on their website, it was layered, so they will send you two like this. So in terms of price, Ana Luisa, the price range from $39. So if you live in the UK, which I live in, probably is from like 35 to luxury end. So depending on what you want to get, so they are there to provide for you. In case you want to get hold of this jewelry, you could use my code, which is Gladonbf, and you will get 10% discount. That is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this jewelry on for you guys to see how it looks on me. I am quite excited, and at the end of the video, I will be showing you guys my outfit of the day. So let me just go ahead and put it on. Oh my God, I have put in this necklace on. Gorgeous. You see this one? I really like the bubble, the design of this one. It has like a little bubbles, like ball on it. So it's really is nice, and I just love the length of this necklace. And the other one, and I love the pendant too. I thought the pendant is really, it's a cute solid, and this one feels so like heavy in terms of a little bit heavy. It's really nice metal that they've used, honestly. And this one, the other one, is really simple, but they have a little like stone in the middle, like a crystal kind of stone. So it's really, I just love it. It's so beautiful, and I just love the way it layered nicely. And I love the fact that, you know, some layered necklace, they kind of jam part everything together. This one is separate, so you could choose to put this one on, or you could just choose to wear this one, or you could choose to put both of them together, which is really nice. And this is the bracelet on my arm. Oh, this bracelet is so beautiful, guys. This is nice bracelet. It's a really beautiful bracelet. I just love the pattern of it. It's a bit chunky, so it's not too chunky, but it's not too thin. Some bracelets could be really thin, which is annoying. Sometimes you'll be thinking there's nothing in your arm, but this one is just like so classy and very chic. I really love the color. So this is the ring I reviewed for them before that I've been using back to back, like I told you guys before. And this ring, honestly, the color is still the same. There's no peel, there's no scratch, there's nothing to it. It still remains the way it came. Is amazing. I thought I'm just going to treat myself with a little bit of an Luisa jewelry. And this is the earring I did here. This is a classic, so nice. I've used it. It's so comfortable. It's one thing that you put in your ear. It's not too heavy. It's just there, but it's just like so chic. It's like, honestly, it's really is beautiful. So yeah, I really love these two, and they have not disappointed me. They last a lot. They claim they last a long time. The way I have used it recently, and I haven't seen any sign of discoloring or anything like that. I am quite happy to take my lovely self now to my mirror for you guys to see my outfit of the day, because I thought I'm just going to show you what I'm putting on and give you like a little closer look of this jewelry, if that makes sense. Hey guys, this is me. This is the jewelry. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up here. And this is the ring I was showing you guys earlier on. It's absolutely stunning ring. I really love it. And that is the jewelry. Honestly, you could see it a little bit close up. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love this jewelry. It really is so nice. And that is the bracelet here. It's such a cute bracelet. It really complements my look. And this is the little earring. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try and angle this thing properly. Yeah, so that's the little earring I was showing you guys. It's so beautiful. The color, the jewelry color are so rich. Outfit of the day, I really love my outfits. So I chose to wear this top so that I can show you guys the jewelry, because it's really nice for me to show it properly. I love the way it just complements my skin tone. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, so this is what I'm putting on. I'm putting on this little tight with my belt. I just love the gold details popping, like, honestly. So yeah, this is my look for today. So this is a bodysuit, by the way. This top is a bodysuit, and that is my bakasi there. So my bakasi is a bit exaggerated, and it's a little bit cold indoors, so I just leave this one on because it's very comfortable. And that is from H&M. Yeah, I just love putting on something like this. And you know what? Believe it or not, guys, we are on lockdown. We are on number 2 lockdown. So if you watch my last what I wore in a week video, I said to myself that, guys, I am not going to stay at home and not slaying, because I have a lot of clothes that I have not slayed, that I have not been using. So I need to wake up in the morning and just literally slay my clothes, you know. I really need to wake up in the morning and slay my clothes. So I don't really care. Even though I don't have anywhere going to, I can still literally go for a walk with a friend. So tomorrow I am going for a walk with a friend. So, but it doesn't bother me. I'm still going to wake up, put my makeup on, just slay to the glory of God. Lockdown number 2. Who would have thought in the winter it would we'll be doing lockdown number 2? You know, when we did our first lockdown, we had the most wonderful spring. It was so nice. So we were able to be in the garden, play with the kids and things like that. The good thing this time, guys, kids are in school. That is the good thing. So hopefully it stays like that we don't have to lock down completely. So basically this is my outfit and I am loving myself. I am going for my school run like this, like picking my kids up. I am definitely going like this with my jewelry, with as if I'm going to a party, you know, like Nigeria or one bear. So anyway, let me end this video now. So I'm going to be leaving my code in the description box, which is Gladonbf, if you want to get hold of these jewelries. Coming across my face and my channel for the first time, hey, I am Gladon. If you like this kind of video, if you like fashion video, beauty, do not hesitate to subscribe. I am sending you guys light and positivities and optimistic, and I will see you guys in my next video.